Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to talk about the L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Anti-Sagging and Even Skin Tone Face Cream. So I actually really like this cream because it has a lot of active ingredients that I'm constantly looking to use, but I don't like having too many creams or like too many things to remember in my skincare routine. So I really appreciate that this one cream has multiple active ingredients that I like. So first it has collagen peptides, which are essentially like the amino skin is made out of amino acids, and so they also make up collagen, which is naturally found in our skin. And the amino acids, they bind moisture to the skin, and they help like to keep your skin firm and retighten your skin and prevent any wrinkles or things like that. So while I don't have any wrinkles yet, thank God, I definitely do see myself like kind of wrinkling my forehead a lot more often now, and just as after 25 you lose a lot of the natural collagen that's already in your skin, or at least your body stops making it. So I want to be sure to get ahead of the game and like start using anti-aging and like preventative skincare now, which is why I really like that it has collagen peptides in it. And I also really like that it has niacinamide in it, which is, it's also known as vitamin B3. So obviously you can also take vitamin B, but when it's an essential nutrient that will help brighten your skin overall. So it also reduces any age spots, so if you ever notice like some dark sunspots, and it also prevents future ones. So immediately after using, you'll feel like your skin is much more intensely hydrated because of the collagen peptides, and then it'll feel like more supple. Again, the collagen peptides are like bringing more water to your face. And then in 4 weeks, you'll notice that your skin looks like tighter and more dense. It'll also be more even toned, and your skin will look a little bit brighter because it's more even toned. So it absorbs quickly, which I really like. It doesn't clog my pores at all. And my favorite thing about this cream though is that it includes sunscreen already in it. So the part that I hate most about most creams, or most like day creams, is that it doesn't have sunscreen already in it. So then I have to put on that cream, I have to wait for it to dry so it doesn't pill, and then I have to put sunscreen on top of it again. But usually with a lot of sunscreens there's like a white cast, so then it's also about like looking to find a good sunscreen. But with this one, there is no white cast. It does get absorbed quickly into the skin, and it's a broad spectrum SPF 30, which is a good level to have when going out regularly. Like obviously if you're going to be out in the sun for a long time, you should reapply or like go for a higher SPF, but just for day to day, this one's really good. So I'm just going to unbox it really quick just so you guys can see what it looks like. So unboxing. So this is what it looks like. It has sunscreen on this label here, and then yeah, you can also just open it up, and then it doesn't really have a smell. It kind of is a little bit on the thicker side, and I think it is just because it has that sunscreen included in it. But like I said, it's not greasy, it doesn't clog your pores, and it dries pretty quickly, and it doesn't leave a white cast either. So great to wear under your makeup if you wear makeup, or great to wear just going out. So yeah, if you are looking for a cream like this, I highly recommend trying it out. Let us know what you think of it. If you like this video, please be sure to leave a comment, and so like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.